Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Pindakaas, peanut butter. This is how we say Pindakaas. Pindakaas. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the word. Pindakaas. Pin-Da-Kaas. Pindakaas. And yes, you are right, there's no cheese, kaas, in Pindakaas, at least not in the ingredients. But back in the day, you could only call it butter when it was, well, butter. And because in the early days you could slice it like cheese, they gave it the name Pindakaas. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!